Hey there, I'm Sammy from Binance. So you've got some crypto in your Binance account and now you're ready to withdraw it? Whether it's to your bank, another exchange, or a hardware wallet, I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. First, log into your Binance account and head to your wallet. You'll see two options, one for withdrawing fiat and one for crypto. Let's start with withdrawing crypto to a personal wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Let's say Ethereum or ETH. Next, enter the recipient's wallet address. If you're sending to another wallet that you control, make sure to double check the address. You'll also need to select the network. Make sure the network matches the one used by the recipient. In this example, we will use the Ethereum network, or ERC20. Once that's done, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click Submit and go through any required steps, like two-factor authentication or 2FA. Now, if you're withdrawing to your bank account, instead, just select the Withdraw Fiat option after clicking Withdraw. Choose your currency and enter your bank details. Depending on your country, you'll be able to choose between different withdrawal methods. After entering the amount and confirming your details, hit Submit and your withdrawal will be processed. And that's it! Withdrawing crypto or fiat from Binance is that simple. Whether you're moving funds to a personal wallet or straight to your bank, Binance ensures the process is smooth and secure.